welcome to part 3 of the Power Morphicon trip video, and we're going to be going to Disneyland and California Adventure today. Alright, we're here at Disney's California Adventure Park to start off the day, and then we'll be switching back and forth between different parks, so let's go see what we can do.
Visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House.
Like recruits. I've got this. Intrusion alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn. Try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want? HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet. It's in the jet. Let's go. From Mr. Stark. Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I said help.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. Please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills. It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
The vibranium!
Leave it to me.
We got it. Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94. Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you. day. You know how this ends.
You see there, now that's an answer. I like you, kid. All right. Now the moment's over. The kid took all the limelight. All right. Today we are going to start our story time with a wonderful and personal favorite story of mine. Does everyone here love stories? Yeah! Ooh, that's great. Shout out the name of your favorite story. Deadpool and Wolverine. Real creative, everybody. All right, whatever. Now we're just going to do the one that's scheduled. All right. This story is full of action. Here it is. Romance. And we already own the rights to it, so Disney can't be sued. That's right. This story is Beauty Pool and the Wolverbeast. You cheered a little louder for that second part. I can't help but be a little hurt. That's fine. I don't really care what you think. All right. Thank you. Once upon a time, you know, it just doesn't feel right when I do that by myself. We should all say those magical words together. Ready? Once upon a time. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I'm not going to have you do that anymore. All right, once upon a time, I was walking along, captivated by my favorite book, the autobiography of Ryan Reynolds, when suddenly I heard the galloping of my father's horse, Philippe. Do some noise with me. Make some noise, something. Here we go. It makes it interactive. I'm required. You see, my father had left for the fair earlier that day, and now here returned his horse. My father no longer in the saddle. Nice. It was really surprising considering that this was necessary to move the story along. We had to do it. I jumped in the horse's face, grabbed him by the muzzle, and shouted, "Philippe, where is Papa? Is he in some kind of trouble?" You see, I asked the horse this aggressively, like he was some sort of television horse who could understand and respond in English. But he wasn't, he's a horse. Yeah, so I just mounted Philippe and shouted, "Take me to Papa, quickly!" And away we galloped. There we go, following cues. And then we slowed down, or stopped, I guess. We went deep into the dark forest. It was dark, it was scary. It was like going to a Waffle House at 3 a.m. on Tuesday. Suddenly we came upon a clearing, and out of the mist arose an enchanted mansion. Professor Xavier's School for Gifted Youngsters. I dismounted Philippe and sent him on his way. Good try, not too late. I knew who lived in this mansion. It was the hideous, the horrible, the hairy, the Wolverbeast! We love you, Wolvie.
I know. Come on, we gotta go.
No, we're gonna take a picture. Make this a big thing. This is a special moment. Pose like it's prom.
You get one picture.
You want a pretzel?
No, come on, let's go.
Hey, Wolvie. This is not for me. All right? This is for all the kids out there. Especially the one kid who participated really well earlier. Yeah, that's him.
All right, I see the kid. Fine. I'm not doing this for you, though.
Great.
I'm doing this for you, kid.
You're welcome.
Okay, God.
Beautiful, I'll take my seat.
Get up!
Try.
Okay. Belle.
Beauty pool.
I'm not gonna say beauty pool.
You have to, it's the contract.
Get off me. Beauty pool does a little B&E and meets a bunch of weirdos who are furniture and dishes.
And cutlery. It's important you cover them all. They have a musical number partway through.
Then the real hero shows up. The Beast.
The Wolver Beast. Would you stick with the parody I set out here, boy?
Okay, pool boy over here makes a mess of things as usual. Then it's up to Wolverine to save the day. Blah, blah, blah. I slice up some bad guys while Beauty Queen over here stands in the corner making a bunch of stupid jokes with outdated cultural references.
My jokes are not outdated. They are modern, they are hilarious, and they are not going anywhere, just like Splash Mountain. Wolvie, you were taking this whole thing south, man. You haven't mentioned the best parts of the story. There's Mrs. Potts and her wonderful son Chip, Lumiere, Cogsworth, and of course my favorite, Chef Boosh. Yeah, who's Chef Boosh? Nobody knows. It's the stove. Don't cheer when you don't know. And you! With you, I expected a few bars of tale as old as time.
Hey, I said no musical theater.
Oh, that's a pity. If you were a showman, you'd be the greatest.
I don't know what that means.
That kid got the joke. Now this whole thing, you're just ruining it, Wolvie. Let's wrap it up for everybody. The moral of the story is don't open the door to strangers. That's right. They might be an evil witch who's going to enchant you, your guests, and all your furniture just for not letting them inside. Yeah, this is a weird story, huh? I'm sure all the other Disney tales are much happier. Hey, Wolvie, we're gonna go ahead and let you finish it up. Say the magic words.
Don't touch me. What magic words?
You know, the way that all of the best Disney stories end. And don't any of you say a post-credit scene, all right? Those are way overused and specifically for the Feige universe, the FCU. You know, you can probably afford to tweak a letter out.
I'm out of here.
What? No. All right, well, hey, everybody, for what it's worth, they all lived happily ever after. There we go. You went too fast on the cue there. You gotta say it with the group. It's fun. Thank you all so much. You were wonderful. I'll see you all again in a few hours. Take care. Stay cool out there. All right, bye now.
Seems like every year they push every holiday sooner.